can say, okay, let's just take it maybe a step further. I'll give you an example here of an auto company here. They've got a shell. For the designers looking at that, okay, it's a pretty basic design, mind you, but just for the demonstration purposes here. We've got a shell that's got some variable content within it. I mentioned it before, anything that you can template, you can automate, anything you can automate, you've got it online, everything you can put online, you've got a speed of production, which means that you can react in very limited time. Very limited time, sorry. In this case here, we'll take our template, we'll select our products, so we can select whatever product we've got online. So if you think about the customer, I've got products that are not selling as quick as others, or I've got a competitor down the road that's just come on there with a cheaper price. I can literally bring it on here, take it up here, change my pricing, go back to it, change it as many times as I want, proof it on the fly again, lifetime proof, see it, print it, away it goes. Now, of course, we're talking about digital printing here, but it can also be marrying up and coming together with traditional print. Digital print, of course, gives you speed, but sometimes you've got an application that you might sell when you go with longer runs. That's okay. Can you just even one step further? We'll stop that. It's not going on. I love this stuff. This is a company, DMC is a company, an outsourcing company in Melbourne and also Sydney. Very successful. They were doing this is a year ago where they were holding or participating in an exhibition. I think it was in Sydney as it was. And they were inviting people that were members of the financial institutions that they're up to. They wanted to show some of the content they can do. They came to us and they said, look, we get typically, and this is not my figures, this is their figures, but we all know it's actually quite accurate. They typically get, if they're lucky, 1% return. They've done the thing before. They needed to get a greater return from it. So we said, okay, let's get an interaction and let's get a buy-in from the people that you're going to be sending the stuff to and coming through onto it. So in this case here, we took the database of APA on it. We sent a card out here. This card's just going out. So we've taken what could have been a job that was only just one piece of artwork, one piece of print going out. We want to do a bit better than that though. We're going to take that one card there, we're going to personalise it with a person's name on it. We call this one the Smarties campaign. We've got, as you can see, the names blazoned on the front of the card. It's in the content and, of course, address and barcode, etc. We're going to include it on that a pearl. Has everybody heard of pearls in here? Okay. Some yes, some no's. Okay, pearls. Pearls are coming out. A pearl is a personalised URL. In other words, if you look at a web address, so let's say we're looking at www.kenwilliams.com.au, a pearl would be www.kenwilliams.com.au/Theo Pataris, if Theo Pataris was actually logging on. And what it is giving a personalised web interface for the person that's going to be logging on. So going back to what we've done here, we've taken a card out to Leanne and we've said, Leanne, could you log on to this website, /Leanne, with her name on it, for her to log on to. Leanne takes it, goes on the internet, logs on, voila, congratulations, up comes, hi Leanne. How did we know it was Leanne? Isn't that magic? People do things magic. But occasionally we bring her onto on there. Now we're talking to her on a one-to-one basis over the internet. We're asking her some questions. We'll ask her what's her favourite colour of Smarties, because we want to show what we're doing here. We'll then take some information that's pertinent to the relevant company. So it's a car company, about cars, what do you buy, what do you like, etc. We'll ask the steps, get the information, get that data. So now instead of being a design company or a print company or a marketing company, etc., now we're talking about getting data coming in that we can use to do the one thing that we really want to accomplish. Greater returns on investments. Greater returns for the person that counts, which is the customer. We take that, they come through onto it, up, she picks the yellow, this example here, up comes the yellow Smarties, thank you very much for providing information, etc. And guess what? Gee, anybody think we're printers? We send them out another piece of documents. It's just brilliant choice, great choice. Over it goes, and we talk about the colour that her Smarties is, and looking forward to seeing her at the event. And of course, we then, guess what, we print. So we send out another one that just reminds her to go along to the actual event. So here we've got 3 pieces of print that's now gone out to her. Personalised URL that's happened. It doesn't stop there. She goes, and then she's at the event, bang, off goes the phone, reminds her to come to the stand. So now we've incorporated web in with, we've taken the web, we've taken the print and SMS. Then goes to the stand and picks up, guess what? Her personalised bag. It's got her name on it. She goes into it, she's got information that's specific to her again. And of course, it's got her favourite colour of Smarties in there. This campaign went from barely 1% to over 10% response. Now, we thought that was just fantastic. We asked the customer, what did they think of it, i.e. our customer? And they said, man, it is the most amazing thing. It is the most successful show ever. Now, I ask you, are they really then concerned about what's the cost of design, what's the cost of print? If they've got a return 10 times or more greater than what they've got previously. It gives you, as designers, and digital printers alike, the opportunity where here, does that mean that we can charge 10 times the amount? Hey, 10 times the result, 10 times the amount. Doesn't sound bad to me. But here we are, we're changing the dynamics of what we're doing. Instead of just doing a one-to-one basis and here's your product, and there it is, and thank you very much, we're saying, hey, let's get value to the person that counts. Let's get greater returns to that person. I think I'm going a bit over here. I apologise.